Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a shadow for your videos in CapCut PC. Select your video. I know this video already has a shadow, but copy and paste it, remove background and select auto removal. Then on this one you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to turn down saturation. Wait, did it even... I think I might have to select another video for this one. Let's try this. Okay, go to adjustments. Oops. Go to auto removal, go to adjustments, turn down saturation, turn down exposure, turn up contrast, turn down highlight, turn down shadows, whites, blacks, and you're just going to leave the brilliance there. Then I'm going to go back to basic here and I'll just go to the blend mode and select the opacity and adjust it. And then I'll rotate that. And I'm going to mirror that, place it here. You can also turn off uniform scale and scale like just the height here. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can't really see that clearly. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.